Hey guys, it's Glenn96 here, and today I'm gonna do a prank on my cousin DG Michael Bass. Go subscribe to his channel, get him to 30 subscribers. The Packers won, and he's really excited. And he said he got too sweaty, so I'm gonna do him a favor. Remember when they like put water all over their hand and then do achoo, and then they pretend like they actually sneezed on them? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But the guys don't get a great view. I'm sorry, but here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got my hand wet. Okay, so I'm gonna go outside. Oh my god. I might have to get a wet one. There we go, got a wet one. Michael, come here. Go. Say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. Achoo! I got him. I got him.
You just threw water at my nose.
Remember where they do the achoo? That's what I do.
You didn't even get it.
Yeah, then why do you wipe it on your face? Alright. So guys, I got him. He's mad. I did you a favor. You were sweaty. I did you a favor. So, if you guys enjoyed the prank, if you guys, if you guys go subscribe to DJ Michael Bass, get him to 30 subscribers. And, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.